doing a review on some wellies, and these wellies are not for the allotment. Here are my new wellies. I got these wellies for Christmas and started wearing them the day after Christmas, I think. I'll most likely wear them on rainy days, walking the dog, all throughout the year, maybe not so much in the summer. These wellies are a size 7 and they are a very snug fit. You couldn't wear thick socks or them big welly socks that you get. Well, you certainly couldn't with these ones anyway. We took a while hunting for these wellies because I did have some hunters in the past that lasted a long time, and I bought other wellies after that didn't last long at all. So we went online and looked at lots of reviews for different wellies, and these ones kept coming up. So they do cost quite a bit, but if they last anywhere near as much as my old hunter wellies lasted, I think it'll be worth it. If you ever see me wearing these in the allotment, message me and tell me off, because I'm not supposed to be wearing these at the allotment at all. These are my good wellies. This is one pair of socks. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and like so you can look out for the future update of these wellies. Bye!